I got Sam on the 1, Brian on the 2, Troy on the 3, Ted on the 4, Jared on the 5, and Kurt on the 6. Okay. Marshals be ready. Drivers ready. Less than 5 on the tone. All right. Pretty good start so far. Got Brian and Sam pulling away a little bit, going in that roller coaster. Brian rolls it. Allows Sam to break away a little bit. Brian's trying to catch him. Still got plenty of time left. Brian's only 2.2 back from Sam now. Troy's only 2.1 back from Brian. Going into the S, down the roller coaster into the double. We got Sam, Brian, Troy, Kurt, Ted, and Jared. Leaders in the all white going in the S, followed by Brian in the blue and orange going in the S. And we got Troy in the green and white going down the roller coaster. Brian's now 2.1 back from Sam. Sam going down the double into the straight in that white. Low C. Ryan going by blue good corner. Blue and orange. Brian's now 2.6 back from Sam. Ted's only 7/10 back from Jared. Brian catches the pipe in no man's land. Got Sam to break away. Closest race right now is probably between Jared and Ted. Ted's 1.1 back from Jared. Troy's now 3.5 back from Brian. Brian in that orange and blue. Troy in the green and white going in the S. Sam pulling away going into the S. And that white low C, black wheels. Troy's now 2.8 back from Brian. Going into the roller coaster. Brian rolls it. Allows Troy to catch up. Going into blue good corner. Troy's now 1.4 back from Brian. Fast laps held by your leader Sam, 16.5. Leader going into the spine jump. Into blue corner. Troy's now 3.0 back from Brian. Sam getting into some lap traffic. Gets by pretty good. Troy's now 3.9 back from Brian. Going into the S. Brian going over the double down the straight. Blue and orange. Leaders in the white with black low C. Coming by blue good corner. Followed by Troy in the white and green with white wheels. Going into the S. We got Sam out front, followed by Brian, Troy, Jared, Ted, and Kurt. Ted's only 1 second behind Jared.
17.4, 18.5.
Jared in that brown, going into the S. And Ted with the white, pink, and blue, going down the roller coaster.
1 minute left.
Probably your closest race. Last time around, Ted was 1.5 back from Jared. Troy's now 7.2 back from Brian. Looks like Ted catches the pipe. Allows Jared to pull away. Start getting up our next heat. That's stock buggy A. Wait. Mod buggy B. Got Dylan, Tony, John, Kelly, and Jason. 30 seconds left, drivers. Ted's now 2.2 back from Jared for the 4. Brian rolling it. Leader coming in blue group corner with 10 seconds left. Got about four cars piled up on the S.
Concrete is done.
All right, Troy, you're done. Should be everybody's. This is everybody's last lap. Kurt, you're done. Ryan, you're done.
Car 1 is done.
Sam, you're done.
Car 5 is done.
Jared, you're done. Ted's done. Sam took that one, followed by Brian, Troy, Jared, Ted, and Kurt. Get out there to